Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to find tops in a market and also how to trade them. Same thing with lows, right? And we're just going to keep this very simple, use price action and just a RSI, right? So we're going to come over here, Thinkorswim, just type in basic RSI, go here, we'll get rid of this, let's get rid of all this other stuff, right? And just keep this as simple as possible. And this is all the information we're going to need. With that said, watch this video first and then we'll get right into the video. Make sure you check out my website, daytradingfearless.com, to sign up for the $99 lifetime subscription special for the weekly S&P Emini trade zones. These are zones where I give you resistance, support, open gaps, and open VPOCs for the following week trading. You also, in the member section, will receive a 2-hour trade zone training video course where I teach you everything about the trade zones, how to draw them, so you could trade any stock, future, or cryptocurrency. And you also get the member section with all the resistance, support levels, and things like that to draw on any chart. So make sure you check it out. Links down below, but right back to the video. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump in. How to find tops in any type of market, right? We're going to just use a 15-minute chart. We're going to use price action, and we're also going to use the RSI. What we see is we see price, and let's kind of go back a little bit, right? We see price making a nice big move, right? Going higher, we see a spike up, right? And then what we want to look for is how high the RSI got, right? So we kind of see this spiked up, right? It's higher than this high, right? So this high was here, this high here, right? So we're making higher highs, higher lows, and then we make a new high. Well, if we look right here and just kind of zoom in on this portion, we could see there is now a lower high, right? So from this high to this high, it's kind of like a megaphone, right? We see something very similar to this, right? This goes up here, this goes down, right? So then what we could do is we could look for a pullback, right? And then what we want to do is we want to look for usually the previous spike high, okay? And we're going to just use this level right here. And that is kind of what we are going to use to look for a potential short. So we see a pullback, right? We see the divergence, and then this price comes back up. Once we come back up here, we're going to use this and lean on this, right? This level of 461.76 for a potential short. Here is where we would enter our short, and then we would just use our stop right above this level right here, right? Because what we're essentially saying is, hey, let's enter here. We have very minimal risk, and price should not go above because we had divergence. And even when we got back up here, look at how low the divergence was, or the bounce was, right? We should be way up here matching these, right? We're way down here. And so what happens is we get filled, price goes down, starts to fall, rallies, and then boom, right? Makes a nice fall here. Then you could see we kind of rally up, never break above this high right here. And then we just start working our way lower and lower. Now, if you're looking for really, really massive moves, okay, I mean, look at the move that this top gave, right? I mean, you're talking, almost a 4 of 40 points on the S&P, or sorry, the SPY, which would be equivalent to about 400 points, you're going to have a lot of stop outs if you're looking for huge moves, right? But this is where you could just use trailing stops, things like that, to really help you out. So it's just something to look for. Same with lows, right? You could see a low here. You could see his prices coming down. Okay, we're making new lows here, but as we making new lows, we're actually making higher lows, and you could just kind of look for a move to the upside. So watch my other divergent videos. I've done a bunch of them, and this is just a quick run through of a video. I just want to keep it quick, simple, and short for you guys. But if you really don't need anything crazy out there, just understand how markets work and also understand how divergence works and things like that. So hopefully you guys like this video, and as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.